Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 7 Pro that needs a new display. As you can see here on the corner, it's starting to bleed. So let's go fix it right now. So we'll start off by shutting this phone down. As you can see, sometimes it responds to touch, sometimes it doesn't. So this one is partially broken. It's not fully broken in a technical sense. So we're gonna remove the front display here so we can put in a new one. So as you all know, Google Pixel 7 starts the repair by removing the front display, which is good if you're trying to replace the display itself, but kind of nerve-wracking if you're just going to replace the battery or some internal components such as the flex cable or one of the cameras. But luckily for us, we're just gonna deal with the broken display. So the first thing that's gonna go is the broken component, which is this one. We're gonna slowly work our way around the device. We're gonna slice through the adhesive. Underneath the display, underneath the glass, you have this plastic frame that interfaces with the housing itself. So you have this black plastic on the side, which we will transfer to the new display. We have a replacement unit, but it doesn't come with this plastic interface or adapter. We have removed the retaining clip for the display so we can detach it on its connector. And there you go. There's lots of adhesive from the factory. This is the first time the smartphone has been opened, so it's pretty strong adhesives. We're gonna deal with this plastic adapter now. Also gonna be very careful because we're gonna reuse this later on. We're gonna slice through it. Especially in the corners, it's kind of very tough, but we're not gonna rush things out because we can damage some sensitive components that may be hiding underneath it. Now it's almost free. There you go. Next step, we're gonna clean off the old adhesive residue here on the housing. Just a simple wipe down with a Q-tip. Also gonna prep this surface so that we can install a new display. After that, we're gonna remove the fingerprint scanner from the old display. So we're gonna detach it. This is a very, very sensitive component with a very, very flimsy cable. So David is gonna use his Pro Magic here so we don't damage this component. I'm gonna slowly slice it off the surface. So unlike older smartphones where you have a separate space for the fingerprint scanner, the modern ones, especially this 7 Pro, Pixel 7 Pro, you have the fingerprint scanner underneath the display, which is kind of cool. So the fingerprint data is stored on the hardware or on the OS itself. So in order for us to reuse the existing fingerprint of our client, we will remove this one and put it on the replacement unit. So coincidentally, the replacement display units don't have the fingerprint scanner component. We just have the connector for the interface and of course the camera holes. So we have transferred it, aligned it properly, and we're good to go. Just some grommet for the front display. Then we'll try to install it, test it for a bit, and if it's working, we will close up the device and we're done. Look at that. So this has been successful. I hope you enjoy this. If you have a Google Pixel 7 Pro that is in need of a new display, a new battery, or any other components, just head up to Sydney CBD Repair Center and David here will help you out. He's done a fantastic job with ROG phones, iPhones, and of course Google Pixels. You can see here the fingerprint scanner is fully working. We're gonna shut this phone down now and glue it up and let it dry and give it back to our client. So if you found this video interesting, helpful, or you learned something new, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos for you guys if you're an aspiring technician who wants some tips on how to open up stuff. We have some old videos that you might enjoy. So don't miss out on our future uploads. Like and subscribe. And this one is a done deal. Look at that. We're just gonna press it in. We have glued it with our own liquid adhesive. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.